Hey, welcome back. We're going to talk about the inquiry cube activity that we did on Friday and completed in class together. So you can see it right here. It's page 7 in your notes packet. So I have 3 cubes. I'm going to show you these cubes. I want you to write down some observations you notice about what's on the sides of the cube. And then you're going to give me a hypothesis based on what you observed. What do you feel is going to be on the bottom side of the cube? I won't be showing you that part, but I wanted you to have a chance to predict and see if you can figure out what the bottom part of the cube is. So here's the first cube. So on one side you have a 1, so you want to write this stuff down, because I'm only going to show you the one time. On the other side you have 3, 6, and a 4. Okay, 1, 3, 6, 4. And then the top is a 5. All right, so the bottom side right here, you don't know what's under there. So based on your observations of what's on this cube, what do you predict would be on the bottom side? So write down your observations here, and then put your hypothesis. Okay, now the second cube. On one side you have an 8, a 4, a 6, and a 10. And then on the top side you have a 2. And your job, once again, is to figure out what would be on the bottom part. So you have a 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And what would be on the bottom part? And then maybe why you think that. Because there are several different options that you could put there. But there are some trends that can help you identify what it would be. All right, so that's your second cube. Fill out your observations and your hypothesis. Now the third cube gets a lot harder. So here's the third cube. Okay. On one side you have Roberta, and then a 7 and a 3. Tammy, a 4 and a 2. Rob, a 3 and a 3. Thomas, a 6 and a 2. Frank, a 4 and a 5. So once again, you don't know what's on the bottom. Oh, that's not the bottom. Here's the bottom. And your job is to see if you can figure out, move this over a little bit. What one is what? So write down your observations, then hypothesize what you predict is on the bottom side of the cube. And then the very last thing you'll do is answer these questions. So you have 2 questions here that's on page 7. And you have a third question that's actually on the top of page 8. So you're going to answer those 3 questions. And then that's it. That concludes our Friday. I will make a little video to explain the cubes, or find a video. That way you can kind of see if you were on the right track or not. So, all right, good luck. Get this written down.